Spell. I always spell my name for the receptionist. I am spelling the tricky word out loud. I have spelt every entry correctly so far. The pupils have been spelling long words all lesson. I spelt the town's name wrong on the form. I was spelling the address when the line cut off. I had spelt the password before I forgot it. The class had been spelling in pairs for an hour before the test. I will spell it slowly so you can write it down. I will be spelling names at the reception desk all morning. By the end, I will have spelt 1,000 words. By June, I will have been spelling for the contest for a year.